let's do another example dealing with determining whether two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Here we have 2x minus 3y divided by 3 equals x minus 1 divided by 6, and the line 2y minus x equals 3. The procedure will be the same. We're going to take both of these lines, the equations of both of these lines, and find their slopes, and then compare them. If the slopes are equal, the two lines will be parallel, assuming they have different y-intercepts. If the slopes are negative reciprocals, we'll say they're perpendicular, or we'll conclude that they're neither. All right, let's work with putting these equations in slope-intercept form. Let's start with the 2y minus x equals 3. So I have 2y minus x equals 3. Let's get the y by itself. We can add the x. Okay, so we add x to both sides. We get 2y equals x plus 3. And now the last step, we'll divide by 2. So we'll have y equals x over 2 plus 3 halves. All right, so the slope of this line is 1/2. All right, let's find the slope of the other line. Here I have 2x minus 3y divided by 3 equals x minus 1 divided by 6. All right, now the first thing we want to notice about this equation is that it involves fractions. We have a denominator of 3 over here and a denominator of 6. We don't have to deal with that in this equation because we can multiply both sides by a number that gets rid of both of these denominators. And so we'll look and see 3 here and a 6 here. 6 happens to be 2 times 3. So if we multiply both sides by 6, we will clear all of the denominators. That's what we want. So let's multiply both sides by 6. If we do that, so I'll put times 6 over here, times 6, the 6 cancel with the 3, leaving us with 2. So we'll have 2 times 2x minus 3y. Here, the 6's will cancel and leave us with x minus 1. We'll distribute the 2 into the 2x minus 3y. So we have 4x minus 6y equals x minus 1. And now we'll continue to put this into slope-intercept form. Let's subtract the 4x. Negative 6y equals negative 3x minus 1. We'll divide by negative 6. Left with y equals negative divided by negative is positive. 3 over 6 is 1/2. So x over 2 plus 1/6. This is now in slope-intercept form, and we can read off the slope. The slope is 1/2. The slope of this line is 1/2. Slope of the first line was 1/2. Slope of the second line was 1/2. The only thing left to do would be to compare their y-intercepts. The y-intercept here is 3 halves. The intercept here is 1/6. They're distinct. They have the same slope. Therefore, they're parallel.